So what's one of the most annoying sounds in the world? Oh, of course, now you're not going to play with it.
I'm too tired.
We just got him back from a walk.
It's energy.
Yeah, any other time you'd be chewing it.
Bite it.
Come on.
He's watching the camera.
Come on, bite your chicken. Isn't that sound annoying? No, we bought this. No, Tonya bought this chicken for him over a month ago. One of our friends assured us he'd destroy it. So far, it still makes annoying noises. Well, I guess we'll have to get you another day when you want to chew on that rubber chicken.
Fucking annoying. He's laying on it. Bend his neck over. What's he doing? Deep throat the chicken?